Flying car completes test flight between airports? Aircar V5, a fifth-generation flying car designed by Professor Stefan Klein, completed two 1500 AGL flights at Piestany Airport in Slovakia this week. The model safely achieved two full airport patterns, including two takeoffs and landings. The key flight parameters confirmed all theoretical concepts and calculations that the development of the aircar was based on. Following the completion of all required flight tests in compliance with EASA regulations, we will deliver a model with a certified ADEPT 300 HP engine within the next 6 months, said Professor Stefan Klein, Klein Vision's CTO and test pilot. The good news is, we already have a buyer, Professor Klein added. The two-seat model weighs 1,100 kilograms and can carry additional load of 200 kilograms per flight. Powered by a BMW 1.6L engine, the carplane has an effective power output of 140 HP. Estimated travel range of aircar is 1,000 kilometers and flight consumption of 18 LH. With aircar you will arrive at your destination without the hassle of getting a ride to airport and passing through commercial security. You can drive your aircar to the golf course, the office, the mall or your hotel and park it in a normal parking space, said Anton Zayants, Klein Vision's co-founder, investor and pilot. The wing and tail deployment, retraction mechanism is very impressive, converting the automobile into an airplane. The cockpit providing space for the driver, pilot and a passenger is very roomy and nicely styled. The overall appearance of the flying car on road and in the air is superb, added Dr. Branko Sar, Boeing Co. Senior Technical Fellow, RET. Klein Vision is a research and development company that turned Professor Klein's 30-year-old dream into reality. The company developed a patented technology that made an affordable flying car a reality.